So hello to the Foundational Infrastructure Working Group meeting. We will have our usual agenda. Just check the PRs and then talk about topics on our dashboard. Our agenda regarding PRs. Okay. Sport notes, state networks and graphics for most probably we should have another approval on this, review on this.
This is, yeah. Yeah, it seems nice to have one more review there.
Okay, let's check, I think, for changes. Chart and most probably meeting. Approvals here, so we can just merge.
Yeah, I think this is ready to go. I finally got it fixed. It only took me 10 months.
So, I don't see any update here. Okay, still update. We wanted to have additional section for share.
Yeah, this is that very strange PR that is like not being used, and yeah, that seems fine.
So we should like any test. So we didn't have any tests this last time. Ask about testing the strange.
Yeah,
Okay, let's see. That's probably not happened. Let's see an activity on this one. There are still open positions. Yes. Still this prefix allocation. This is
I feel like this is looking pretty good, just maybe still needs to finish.
This funding review and the wind
Yeah, that makes sense.
Oh, yeah, this one is incorrect. So this is still open. I thought the discussion is still open, right?
You can resolve my conversation, my two conversations. I can do that real quick.
So that afterwards. Okay, what does it mean? So you will check again on this. We will provide review. Or is this good? So I think we need to assign reviews. Yeah. I don't know for the baby. Some kids decided to play next to me. Let's see. So I assigned additional reviewers here. So we have to. You are also reviewing this, right?
Yeah, I'll go ahead and look at that today.
It's proper state. And the last one here, multi-threaded gallery support. So there was some review by Felix. Hi, Felix.
Hello, sorry, Mr.
We are hearing your voice is even low,
Hello?
and now it's better. You provided already the review on this. I think it's what to change. Should we have another review? Second one?
Never hurts, I would say.
Sorry?
It never hurts to get a second review, but I would also say this is a feature that probably is not very widely used as of yet. And yeah, it's kind of also a bug fix, so yeah. Oh, he responded. I have to respond again.
It's still, there are still open discussions. Because you approved the PR.
Yeah, I reviewed it. Yeah, there was just this minor question, but
Okay, is it urgent? Maybe we can wait another week if there's, then next week we can match.
Yeah.
It's not urgent, or is it?
I don't think so, no.
Yeah. We can also check on the connection side. So here's another one about switching the default GCP region for our Concourse deployments. I don't know. Most probably we cannot just merge this one because Concourse will need to be recreated disks and so on. I think we need to check on this how we can execute. Maybe we can first wait for, because we already have PR switch moved the stem cell validation and bootloader validation to this region. And we do not observe issues with that. Executing this moving also the Concourse. This is about cost reduction, that region is cheaper. And I also I've been looking into the costs, and we have our workloads distributed around US East, Europe, and this is generating also around 20% of the costs we have because of network transfers, so network communications. And also our buckets are this different place. This if we put everything together, somehow we can also reduce 20% of our cost. Network cost looks like to me.
That seems like a reasonable move. I think it seems like this change can go in without any problems, but also I think we should maybe start another issue to do the region shift.
So, what you mean by that last another issue?
Is there somebody looking at migrating bucket locations so that we have better locality with the workloads?
Not yet. I wanted just to first that we migrate compute units and see how does it work. And if it's working fine, then we can think about the buckets. So not that something is not working.
Fair.
Okay, then I will check this one also with Ramon. Yes. Okay.
That sounds good.
Oh, yeah, pending discussion. It's good. Okay, now promotions. Okay, so the costs here and the promotions. This I need to check with Ruben. Ruben is not yet in the call. Another change which is coming is the default behavior of branch protection we have in the community. So we will change this to be the default to have branch protection, which means every repository will get branch protection configuration like this here in the docs. It is possible to define your own branch protection rules, which will be then this branch protection YAML. So for example, a repository which wants to have slightly different branch protection can opt for it. Like we need to create something like this for a repository. Have different configured. Is this something, Aram, you can discuss in your daily whether we should do something or are we fine with the default?
Yeah, I can bring that up with folks inside Broadcom.
Will be great. Next week we plan to activate this.
Yeah, that seems like an important thing. I will bring that up in our stand-up today.
Thanks. Another most probably relevant topic for your on your side you can discuss is this RFC, which has been opened in the community to have a virtual box CPI based on NIPFert.
Mm-hmm.
If people are not aware of this on your side, you can ping them if they have any feedback. I saw that Ruben already provided some feedback. Also, Chris was.
Yeah.
Well, I see the rest of the
Yeah, I think some folks are definitely interested in this. We're starting to see some more internal use of the Docker CPI, so having something that's a little more robust than Docker or vSphere, I think would be, I mean, Docker or Warden would be interesting to folks.
Yes, also virtual box. Other VM-based options can be adopted easier.
Yeah, that makes sense.
At the moment, it's breaking very often because it is just using the CLI to call virtual box.
Yeah.
Okay. On the cost, yeah.
Go ahead. No, it's good.
On the cost reduction side, I already mentioned some of the things. So we have the open PRs to move the regions. Okay. It's nothing new. So this is about what I was observing, that if we consolidate the resource in the same region, we could reduce the cost around 20%. In the cost report, I see costs from a project, which I don't know from where it is coming, GCP project with this ID. At least it's not our application infrastructure.
Let me see if I recognize that. It might be the Windows stem cell project, which was somewhat recently transferred from Broadcom to the CFF.
I selected that one and deselected the Windows stem cell project, but still the costs here are shown. It looks like not related to the Windows stem cell.
Log in and see if I recognize that project anywhere.
And about this Postgres release PR, it looks like.
Yeah, that wasn't showing up in our PR project thing, and I actually flew this package because there were some changes in where these images were being sent. They're in GCR and GCR.io and not Docker, so.
Okay, looks automatic. How do you find the project on your site?
I have not yet found it.
You can show us the issues.
It's not in any of the ones that I recognize. Could it be a parent project too?
I can ask maybe the Linux admins to
Um,
sales.
It may be something that somebody like Chris can see, but the rest of us don't have access to.
Yeah. There is a new issue to add the open ICCI to the stencil. I think we remove this intention by intention. This is so basically the ask is for vSphere to get vSphere. Which stencil? Bunky stencil? In general, or is it a concrete version of the stencil?
Generally, I'm not a fan of having significantly different behavior on the stem cells because it makes it hard for for Bosch releases to be cloud agnostic.
Is this something you can install by a Bosch add-on? Actually, or does it need to be in this?
It could be installed as an add-on possibly. Like I would rather us not install it anywhere or install it everywhere, but not having a bunch of different behaviors on different stem cells.
Yes.
If it can be installed via an add-on, I would prefer that. It seems like it should be possible for somebody to have an add-on release that contains the latest Debian package and for them to be able to install that. It is more work, but
It is. For accelerate optimized machine family, for example. So basically, he's asking whether we will approve such a query provides.
Interesting. This seems like a reasonable change.
Oh. Who wants to sit front of optimized machine?
I'll take a look at the diff here. The diff itself looks fairly contained, so
Yeah, but then you'll write it. Thank you for contribution. I don't have an idea.
hmm,
I'll put independently with discussion.
they're linking to this Grafana XK6 thing. Which seems to have an issue. Maybe we just wait for this to be resolved. XK6.
I saw that
Don't-
this one. This one has been fixed with that we can.
We could say, yeah, closing it seems fine.
We discussed this one. 26th. This was we also looked into this. think the rest is old, so we have about the goal cigar, I think I should. Someone checked it. Is there anything else you want to discuss?
Not from our side, I don't think.
Felix?
No, nothing from my side.
Okay, then we are done for today. Thank you. And have a nice day. See you.
Have a nice day. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
See you later.